Hello, Greg Veach here. Today we're going to discuss blogging and helping you create your own Johnson City blog. Well, what is a blog? If you look at some definitions, a blog is basically where you read, write, and edit a shared online journal. It's actually a contraction, the word blog, of a web log. You log in information on the web. And it can be used for tons of reasons, hopefully for your class and students. A blogger, you've heard that, is a person who uses a blog and updates a blog, a web log. Got it? All right. Here's how you do it. It's easy, it's quick, and informative. In Johnson City, you go to our webpage at jcschools.com. Then you go to Departments and go to Information Services. That makes sense. On this page, scroll down to the Network Services box right here, and you'll see JCCSD blogs, Johnson City Central School District blogs. When you click on that, you come to this page. This is the page that holds all our blogs. And on this page, you can log in with your district password and your district username and password, and then you create a blog. Some people have already done this. There's Mr. Booze's blog, which he started today. There's my blog, The Assistive Technology in Education. We have Miss Charlier's class, and hey, Miss Riker's room. The Johnson City Teachers Center is also on board. So is our network news from Information Services. And you know what? Let's take a look at some of those. When you're done, Miss Riker's room, for instance, it looks like this. You put up something about week 2. You did a welcome back before that. You can get to your homework links each day and newsletters that they make, all kinds of information. If we went over to Mr. Booze's blog, he's just started that today, and this has a whole different look, and he'll use it for different purposes. My blog looks like this. Same kind of format. I have forms to fill out for assistive technology, most popular from all the surveys I sent out, some news, smart boards, and how about training? All kinds of information, and I just created it for you. And I like my picture. Isn't that cool? Let's get back to you. How do you create a blog? Well, first thing you do is go to this login. You log in with your district username. Mine's gveach. And then your password, which you don't share. See if I did that right. I got a long one. And I log in. Now, because I've made a blog already, it goes right to my blog. But if you wanted to create a new one, you go back to the page and you hit Create a New Blog. It brings you to a page where you have to name your blog. Now, there's two names here. One name is right here. You're going to have blog.jcschools.stier.org/something. And this is where you put some thought into it. In the URL window, that's the window at the top, the web address. You want to think, like, I made one already called Teach Veach. But if you made one called, let's say, Mrs. B, right? Mrs. B. So that would be at the end of this long name, jcschools.stier.org/Mrs. B. Might be a good one, might not be. You might want to put science teacher. That's going to just show up in the upper window, right? You might just want to put science 7 if you're teaching 7th grade science, or 12. The blog title, well, that's going to be what shows up on the actual page. All right, so I might make this 7th grade science, if that's what I'm covering, with Mr. V. All right, when I create that blog, it's going to have that name. One last thing, would you like your blog to appear in search engines like Google and so on and so forth? Yes or no? I like the yes on this, just so that once you make it, your kids will be able to find it if they don't remember the address. And that's it. Once you create your blog, have some fun. I'll send you another video on how to actually set up the blog in detail. Have fun. See you soon.